First and foremost, I would like to thank all of you for being here, for your time, for allowing our candidates to present their ideas. Without your presence, the election campaign would not succeed. Actually, I'm out of words right now. As I stare at you guys, I'm totally mesmerized by how handsome and gorgeous you are.
Oh yeah!
Elias Salgado for Secretary, and Mr. Jan Macasa for Auditor. Campaign market, because all of them have been good friends to me. Please note, one of them likes to help people. And they also care about the school and the education of every student. Now, I present to you the candidate for Auditor, Mr. Jan Macasa, to have a speaker. Please give him a round of applause. happen every day. Because I believe that to get through college alive is to have a little fun along the way. So if elected, I would guarantee that everyone will have a new experience. Nonetheless, I will tell you guys all about what I will do to during the school activities. There will be a seminar for every program every year so that every student will be more familiar and learn more a lot about their program. And then fundraising events for clubs so that every club will be able to have do on more activities so that their members so to put on their activities for their members without the burden of the budget. And then field trips once a year. So you guys have to have a little break after a long and tiring month of studying. And then communication. There will be a suggestion box in every building and a periodic update on the work and activities in our school. I will make sure that every voice gets heard because I believe that everyone's input is important. So guys, this is what I am offering you and thought to be. That these are some changes we would like to see in our school. Vote for me and vote for E23 Party. Promise less and deliver more. Thank you and that's it. And last but not the least, Mr. Paolo Castillo, your president.
Still 2016.
Good morning to my fellow students and to our beloved professor. So, for those who doesn't know me yet, my name is Paolo Castillo, and I'm running president of the Student Council here at the Malayan College District. So, the reason why I'm running for president is not to gain popularity or the title itself, but because I want to serve my fellow students and to my fellow alumni. So I may not have any experience on this, but I assure you, I will be more responsible and I will do my best on my work. So vote for me, and this will be your memorable and your awesome school year of your life. So if I am elected to be the president of the Student Council, there are a few things that could be changed or improved. One is the students' lunch. Other students have vacant in their schedule, so sometimes they might get bored or something. So that's why I'll be putting a student lunch in our campus so that they can have restaurant on their vacancies or they can play there or eat. So students can use the elevator. So have you ever experienced to have a class on the 5th floor and you're on the rush because you have an exam on that day?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
That's why students have the right to use the elevator. Because some students might run to climb upstairs just to reach the 5th floor. While on their exam, there might some tendencies that they might cannot get focused on their exam because they are still tired because they already climbed up the 5th floor. So next thing is more seats in the cafeteria. So I believe that many students are enrolled here in MCL for the next term. So there are my chances that the cafeteria would be occupied. So that I suggested to put more seats there so that we could all sit there and we could eat our lunch. The next thing is the Honor Society. Honor Society is an organization wherein the higher year students could teach the lower year students who have problems in their math or any other subjects. So I believe that if there is honor society, there will be a chance that the student itself would prevent pain. So if you are ready to take on new challenges, I am ready to guide you. So if you are ready to succeed, I am ready to help you. I am ready to be a leader, and together we will overcome the obstacles in our way. I want students to know that they come to me with suggestions, and I will listen and try to make a difference. So, are you ready to be part of our new adventure? So vote straight for E23. Thank you and good morning to all.
We will not make this any longer, but one thing's for sure, they will do their very best to attend your needs and wants. We will not promise anything, for a promise is just a word of honor, but they will surely commit to their position. My fellow students, please elect a worthy candidate for the school student council that will serve the school rightly. Ladies and gentlemen,
So, guys, vote for E23.
I will.